Hi, this is Mrs. Hasmer, and today we're working on equivalent ratios. And we've been working on ratios. So they gave you the ratios, the following here. So 1 to 2. Now you're going to make it into a fraction. So the numerator would be the first number, and the denominator would be the second number. And then you're going to reduce if possible. So I know 1/2 is just going to stay the same because there's no number that goes into both of them evenly that would reduce that any further. So the value of the ratio, if they ask you that, would be 1/2. Okay, so you have ratio 5 to 10. So you make it into a fraction. The 5 would be the top number, the numerator, and the 10 would be the denominator, the bottom number. Okay? Reduce if possible. Okay, so I'm going to reduce this because I know that 5 goes into both of those numbers, correct? So I'm going to divide both numbers by 5. If I divide the numerator by 5, I need to also divide the denominator by 5. So 5 goes into 5 one time, and 5 goes into 10 two times. Okay? So if they ask you the value of this ratio, 5 to 10, it's going to be 1 to 2. Okay? And let's work on this one now. You have 6 to 16, so I'm going to make it into a fraction. Okay? And then it tells you to reduce if possible. I am looking at both of these numbers. I know they're both even numbers, so I know for sure that 2 goes into both of these numbers evenly. Okay, so 2 goes into 6 3 times, and 2 goes into 16 8 times. Okay, and if they ask you for the value of the ratio, it's not going to be this number. It's going to be the 3 to 8. Okay, and then the last one, the ratio is 12 to 32. I'm going to make that into a fraction, 12 over 32. Okay, so the first number is your numerator, second number is your denominator. Okay, I'm also looking at that number, and guess what? I know for sure 2 goes in there, but I also know that 4 goes into both those numbers. So I'm going to divide it both by 4, the numerator and the denominator. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 4 goes into 32 8 times. Okay? And then they were asking you, like I said, if this is, if they ask you for the value of the ratio, this would be 3 to 8. Then they were asking on the first part, which ratios are equivalent. Well, now you can look. The first two are, right? Because they both, their value of the ratio is 1/2. And then the second two, they are both the same as well. 3 to 8, 3 to 8. Okay?